Ela Friends, watch this video if you want to learn how to make traditional Greek bifteki the fat Greek way. I'm serving it for the whole family. We can't wait to eat, and I hope you enjoy this video. I'm starting off with my mince. I'm using regular 80-20 mince. I've got my cloth in my dish here, and the reason is we don't want the liquid from the onion. So once we grate the onion and put it inside this dish, we'll be able to squeeze out the liquid, because that liquid really isn't good for bifteki. I've got 3 cloves of garlic. That's just easier if I grate it up, so I'm going to add that too. This is what you want with the onion and the garlic. Now I'm going to take it over to my mince, and I'm going to add my chopped parsley, about 2 tablespoons of Greek oregano, about a tablespoon of salt, some white pepper, some breadcrumbs. I'm going to add 1 egg, and lastly some olive oil. And now, using my Greek Spartan strength, I'm just going to mix this up. You want to mix this really well, get all those flavors intermixed with each other, and get this bifteki nice and tasty. So into my baking dish, I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil so I can grease it up. I'm going to make my bifteki balls. I don't want them too small, but I don't want them too big. I want them about 150 grams, something that size. And then you just flatten it out just a little bit, and we're gonna bake these. I'm gonna put my bifteki in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes and turning it after 20. I've got some Lancewood Greek Delight yogurt, so we'll start with that. I'm gonna add Greek oregano. I'm gonna add my cucumber that I drained the liquid out of. I'm going to be adding a lot of garlic to this because garlic is my absolute favorite. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add some pepper. And lastly, I'm going to add half a Greek lemon. Now, just to mix everything into this beautiful, delicious, tasty, zesty tzatziki. There's a secret hack to see if your tzatziki is ready. I'm going to show you now. You put it in a spoon and you taste it. To get my pizzas ready, we're gonna fry them in a little bit of olive oil or grill them. So let's just get this nice and greased up. Just gonna flip this around. Bifteki wouldn't be bifteki without delicious lemon on top. So I'm just gonna add some Greek lemon. I'm gonna make pizza for all the family. So let's start off with our beautiful homemade tzatziki. I'm gonna add tomato. I'm going to add my onion, and just give me one with the hand. I'm going to add my bifteki, and then just finish it off with some tzatziki. When my yaya was alive, she used to make bifteki every week. I can't wait to taste it. Cheers, everybody. From the homemade tzatziki that I've mastered, this beautiful bifteki that we made, it is absolutely superb. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Such an easy dish to make. It cost under 300 Rand for 6 of us. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and keep on cooking, you beautiful people.